All right, this lesson is going to be mostly based around your mindset when it comes to sales, and it'll be a very short, straight to the point, short and sweet, but powerful conversation that you and I are going to have. And my goal for this lesson is to download this way of thinking into your mind early on so that you understand the major benefits to what you're actually doing. Okay, and we'll get into that in just a second. But this is very important. Take notice. Take notice of, as you are more than just a Facebook ads agency. You're more than just a Google ads agency, etc. Okay? So what do I mean by that, right? What am I talking about? Let's go into that. What you're doing in your agency actually goes far beyond the services that you're actually selling, right? That you're trying to sell. The Facebook ads, the Google ads, TikTok ads, etc., right? It goes far beyond that. What you're doing is actually providing longevity, security, consistency, etc. for your clients, okay? You're literally changing their lives and essentially helping their businesses stay afloat in this ever-changing, life that we currently live in. Everything is changing so fast. If you're not keeping up, you fall behind and your competitors take over. So when you get on your next sales call, right, make sure that you focus not only on their pain points, because that's important too, why they're on the call with you. Those pain points matter, absolutely, but also the major benefits of what you're actually going to provide for them. Longevity, security, consistency, right? Only to name a couple. So you're helping them to stay relevant, and that's one of the biggest keys. You're helping them to stay relevant. So who do you think, look at it this way, who do you think would be in a better position, right? The business that sticks to word of mouth, right? Word of mouth. WOM, the business that stays with word of mouth, or the competitor, right, that decides to take their business online, right? So online marketing, we'll just abbreviate here because that's easier than writing everything out. Plus I have really bad writing. So what's going to be better? The one that takes the business online, gets new customers, and then those new customers also help with word of mouth, and they keep spreading the word. So as they're producing more leads, more clients, more customers, etc., they're also providing word of mouth opportunities for them. So who do you think is actually going to be the more superior option? Probably the latter, right? Option B. Why? Because they're staying relevant with everything changing. That's what you're trying to do for them. So what if we could translate that confidence, that conviction, right? That they're in good hands when they work with you, because they'll be that much more ahead of the game if they work with you. That their business is sure to be built for longevity, security, and consistency while remaining relevant for years to come. That's the biggest part, I think, or biggest reason why I think businesses fall down, why they crumble, because they're not staying relevant. The truth is, sooner or later, they're gonna have to adapt to the online marketing space. And it is your duty, in my opinion, it's your duty just as much as it is mine, to make sure that they don't attempt to do it on their own. Because they're gonna burn through all the cash that they have, all the marketing reserves that they might have, may or may not have. They're gonna burn through those. You gotta make sure that they don't go with anyone else, because they'll probably get burned there too, right? You gotta make sure that they work with you, because I know you'll do a great job and provide amazing results. How do I know that? Because you're in this program and you're literally with the best. You know how I know that? Because we made the decision to be relevant, to stay consistent, to stay educated, to stay ahead of everything, and adapt in the way that we needed to adapt. So I know that you're going to get the best information from us, because that has been the topic of conversation when we started this program, when we launched this program. That has always been the thing where we're going to stay relevant, we're going to stay consistent, and we're going to stay educated. So if you stick with us, you're going to get all the benefits to that. And we have your back, right? Plain and simple. We have your back every step of the way to make sure that you reap all the benefits of everything that we know. Everything, right? We are not holding anything back. So with that being said, focus on the fact that you are providing so much more than just an ad service, just a service. You're adding so much more value to them. Paint that picture for them, and I promise you, the sales will start to become easier to close. They'll start to become easier to make that deal, that arrangement, the negotiation, all that stuff, because they're gonna be able to like you and trust you and know that you're coming from a good place and know that you know what you're talking about. So when you focus on the longevity of their business and treat it as if it's your business too, that you actually cared to help them stay consistent and relevant and all of that, right? Paint that picture. They're gonna know, like, and trust you that much faster. Again, bringing sales a lot easier to come by. All right, so with that being said, I'll see you in the next lesson.